Hello, I'd like to share with you the Dad flying on a balloon craft for this Father's Day. DIY, quick and easy. Stick around. This is the Dad flying on balloons Father's Day DIY craft. And you can say Dad. In my case, I have said Papa. It depends on what you say as a family. We will need a printout like this, or you draw it by hand like I have done. Anything you'd like. You will need a mount. I have this, which is just a simple cardboard that I have used wrapping paper, and you could use any color to frame it. You will need cutouts, because these are what I'm using as balloons, but you can use anything, even buttons, and then glue stick. So to begin with, let's mount this on our frame. Just put glue. It's very simple and quick. And for kids, this would be a fun craft for them to make. Just frame it in there. Very quick. And now we just keep selecting colors as we go. The higher ones, going to the back. The ones that are nearer, I find that it's better off when they are the ones down. And for this, you can do cutouts even from colorful magazines. Anything goes. I'm putting 4, 4 because the strings are 4, so of course the balloons will be 4. But you can do anything. And with that, here is our Papa or our Dad balloon floating away. Papa, love you. And you can add Happy Father's Day, anything you'd like. And if you'd like to see any of the other 5 crafts that we made, watch the video after this, and you'll get a bonus to get 3 others that my family and I made for my husband. God bless you. Barakatele. Keep safe.